In a hospital in Andover, England, technicians are isolating a room in order to clean it with hydrogen peroxide vapor. But this common cleaning agent may not be effective against all harmful bacteria, always present on all kinds of hospital surfaces. The danger comes from the so-called biofilms, in effect complex colonies of microorganisms that use sophisticated methods to develop resistance to common cleaning agents.
These bacteria are bunched together, and so they're in close quarters and they can share genetic information. And so resistances can be passed between species in these biofilms. And so these communities are getting stronger the more diverse they can be, potentially.
The researchers say not only bacteria but also viruses and even fungi have developed resistance to antiviral and antifungal drugs. The main cause is overuse of antibiotics, especially broad-spectrum antibiotics.
Bacteria creating these resistances because they're being overwhelmed with these antibiotics, and they're just, the ones that have this resistance mechanism then thrive. Biofilms could be where that they're exchanging this resistance and therefore then sharing it within a community, which then spreads.
In 2014, the World Health Organization issued a warning that without urgent coordinated action, the world is headed for a post-antibiotic era in which common infections and minor injuries, which have been treatable for decades, can once again kill. Earlier this year, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported the first case of infection that does not respond to any of the known types of antibiotic. Health officials fear that a wider outbreak of antibiotic-resistant infection could kill as many as 80,000 people worldwide. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.